Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to my channel again. And thank you so much as you watching my videos day after day. And I'm highly with you as you side by side with me. Okay, thank you. Today I'm here with a subject. You know well, the subject is transformation of sentences. It is very tough sometimes the students think, but it is very easy if they're interested, if they're careful about the rules, some tips I'm here discussing. Okay, now come to a main point. You see here, complex, simple, and compound. There are hundreds of rules. There are thousands of rules here, but I'm here with some tips for complex, simple, and compound so that you can solve the problems easily. Okay, now start. First time, I would like to show you an example, and with the example, you will be able to solve the problem easily. Okay, now let's start. The example is it is sure that he will pass. He will pass in the exam. He will pass in the exam. It is sure that he will pass in the exam, my dear students and the honorable viewers. Listen to me, and I would like to show you here some tips which will make you sure and will be enabled to make or to turn a complex sentence into simple or compound. You see here, it is a sentence and this is a complex sentence. This is a complex sentence. You see here, there are two clauses. Here, two clauses. It is sure, and he will pass the exam. You know well, my dear students, in a simple sentence, there is only one clause. But here, you see two clauses. So, one clause must be turned into a phrase. What we have discussed. And how to turn a clause into a phrase. What we have discussed many times. So, here also, we will turn a clause into a phrase. But how? Let's start. It is true. It is sure that you will pass in the exam. And we must turn the clause into a phrase. But how? Okay. It's sure. And we can make it surely. And that, of course, will be key, cut down, will be minus. Okay? So, it is sure that, instead of it is sure that, we'll take surely, he will pass in the exam. Surely, he will pass. He will pass in the exam. He will pass in the exam. Okay. It is sure. This is a clause, and we must turn the clause into a phrase. But here, this is adverb. It is adverb. Surely. As the meaning will be correct, we have to select the meaning of the sentence correct or not will be sensed. It is must be the same. Okay, so surely he will pass in the exam. It is sure that he will pass in the exam. Okay, now this is simple and we can make it compound. How we will make compound? You know well that in compound sentence there are two clauses. There are two clauses. There are two clauses in compound sentence. So we have to now make it a clause surely, and it is sure. You know well that it is sure. Surely it is sure that. Okay. So if you make it compound sentence, we must think the meaning, Bengali meaning of the sentence. So if we take the last clause in the first position, then the meaning will be correct. So we must do it. First time, he will pass in the exam. He will pass in the exam. He will pass in the exam. He will pass in the exam and it is sure. And it is sure. He will pass in the exam and it is sure. Here, my dear students, you see that he will pass in the exam and it is sure. That is very easy. It is sure and it is sure. It is sure. But we have changed the position. We have changed the position. The clause of last position we have taken it in the first position. So the last position in the first position and the first position is the last position. Okay. Now try to understand the meaning, Bangla meaning of the sentence. You will pass in the exam and it is sure. So I think that I do hope that the meaning of the complex sentence, the Bengali meaning of the complex sentence is the same. In the both simple and compound sentence. Okay. In this way, we try our level best to make to turn a clause into a phrase, and accordingly, we'll try to level best to turn a complex sentence into simple and compound. Okay. In this way, try our level best. Thank you. Thank you.